In this video, we'll dive into how you can use Process.st for performance management to streamline your team's workflow and boost productivity. Whether you're just getting started with Process.st or looking to enhance your team's performance tracking, this quick guide is perfect for you. Stick with me, because I'll also show you how to get an exclusive extended free trial that you won't find anywhere else. So, let's begin. Process.st is a powerful platform that allows you to create customizable workflows and checklists, making it an ideal tool for performance management. By breaking down tasks into repeatable processes, Process.st helps you track performance in a more organized, efficient way. To get started, you'll first want to create a performance management template in Process.st. This could include checklists for regular performance reviews, goal setting, or any other process you need to monitor employee performance. Once you have your template, you can easily assign tasks to team members and set deadlines. This helps ensure that everyone knows their responsibilities and that tasks don't fall through the cracks. One of the key features of Process.st for performance management is its ability to track progress in real time. As your team completes tasks, you'll see everything in a centralized dashboard. You can also set up notifications to stay on top of progress. If you want to monitor ongoing performance, Process.st allows you to create recurring workflows, so tasks like weekly check-ins or monthly reviews are automatically added to your team's workflow. For tracking individual performance, you can set up custom fields to capture specific data such as KPIs, goals, and achievements. This helps you maintain an accurate record of performance over time. You can even add conditional logic to your processes, so different actions happen depending on the responses or results of each task. It's a smart way to adjust your processes on the fly and ensure you're getting the most relevant insights. Another great feature is Process.st's reporting capabilities. You can run detailed reports on the tasks completed by each team member, making it easier to spot trends, identify strengths, and pinpoint areas for improvement. This data-driven approach to performance management allows you to make more informed decisions and offer targeted support to your team when needed. If you're working with a team, collaboration is made easy in Process.st. Team members can leave comments, upload files, and update task statuses, all in one place. This keeps everything organized and ensures that everyone is on the same page. You can even create task dependencies, meaning that one team member's performance is connected to another's, making it easy to manage complex workflows. So now that you know the basics, let's talk about how to get started. You can try Process.st completely free through the link in the description below. Not only will you get access to all the features I've mentioned, but we've also secured an exclusive extended free trial for you, which will give you more time to explore the platform and see just how it can benefit your performance management strategy. By the way, make sure you watch until the end for a special bonus tip on getting the most out of Process.st's advanced features. To sum it up, Process.st is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to enhance their performance management processes. From task tracking and real-time progress updates to custom fields and detailed reporting, this software provides everything you need to stay on top of your team's performance. Remember, if you want to try it for yourself, head to the link below for your exclusive extended free trial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.